welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Jelena. I am stay-at-home mom of 2 kids. I have a channel that is full of cleaning and organizing videos, a lot of DIYs and other lifestyle videos. So today's video is going to be a cleaning motivation video, but before we start with cleaning, I wanted to touch a few things. I bet many of you had New Year's resolution. I had few myself. One of those was that I wanted to live more healthy this year. That includes all aspects of my and my family's life, starting from exercising more, eating healthier, and choosing just healthier products for us. I would like to use better products when it comes to my personal care and also when it comes to cleaning. On my channel you can see a lot of cleaning videos because I do love cleaning and I enjoy keeping my house clean, but that includes using a lot of products, and I wanted to this year try to go more natural. I'm always in a search for more natural options, and I have tried several things so far that I was happy with, but somehow I always turn back to the cleaning products that you can find everywhere in stores. Now I have to mention that in times like flu season or any other time when my kids do get sick or we get sick, I will probably use more harsh product just so I can disinfect the house and make sure the germs are not spread. But all the other times throughout the year, I would really like to use some products that are natural, that don't use any chemicals if it's possible, and just try to live healthy. So today's video is sponsored by Hygeen Microfiber Cloths, and I have already received them. I got the whole package of them, and beside the fact that they have beautiful colors, I mean, I love that they're so colorful. It's gonna make my cleaning even more special and cheerful. They also are so incredibly soft. Honestly, they're soft like a blanket. I don't know if you ever used any of the other microfiber cloth where while you using them in your hands, they get stuck on some parts of your hands, and I hate that feeling. It just makes my body get goosebumps. These definitely don't do that. They are so soft, like I said, like a blanket. So in today's video, I'm gonna be using them for dry dusting in different areas in my home, and while I'm doing it, I'm gonna explain how they can be used and how it all works, what they're made of, and all kinds of characteristics about these cloths. Also, I will have these cloths linked in the description box down below. You guys can go ahead and check them out. They have great reviews. They also have a couple of different type of products that you can take a look at. And yeah, so let's go ahead and start cleaning. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, these microfiber cloths can be used for wet cleaning and dry dusting. In this video, I will be using them for dry dusting, and what is interesting about these microfiber cloths is that they act like a magnet for dust. When you use them, they literally attract dust, and with all the fibers that they have in them, they keep the dust in it. So when you look at my cloth, you can see all the dust that the cloth picked up. There was no dust flying around, which was amazing. I never really used cloths before for dry dusting just because there was a lot of dust flying around when I did it. This way, everything is stuck on this cloth, and it's just amazing. These microfiber cloths are actually made out of thousands of tiny fibers, and that is what helps them to hold a lot of dust. So with one cloth, you can actually cover a lot of surfaces. So this is a funny fact. I've had some subscribers told me that my house looks too clean and sometimes it looks like I'm cleaning a clean house. So in this video, you can definitely see that my house is not perfectly clean. It is like every other house. It has a lot of dust and a lot of dirt everywhere. The camera just doesn't pick all that up. I usually don't have a lot of things laying around, but it is get dirty like every other house. So in this video you can definitely see that. I love the idea of using them on my plants. Usually during the summer and nice weather outside, I take my plants outside, spray them with water and wash them that way. But during the winter, I don't do that. So this is a perfect way to take the dust off of the plants. Even though in this video I did not use them for wet cleaning, if you want to use them for wet cleaning, the only thing that you have to add is warm water. So with that you can basically clean everything and they should pick up all the dirt and bacteria off of the surfaces. When it comes to care for them, also just washing in a warm water with no detergent or anything. It's better to wash them by hand and they will last up to 500 uses. So one thing I was particularly happy about is to use them for fan cleaning. As you know, usually there's a lot of dust on fans and dust flies everywhere. As you can see, I am under my fan and there was no dust falling on my head. Everything was stuck on the cloth. I was super excited about that. Another fact about these cloths is that they have pretty long fibers. And with those fibers, you can pick up dust in places that are not usually reachable. You will see over here, I am cleaning these little spots on the top of my microwave, and the cloth did a fantastic job. So that's it for today's video. I am all done cleaning. I hope you guys got some great motivation out of this video. Also, I want to mention I am super happy with these cloths. They did a wonderful job cleaning everything, and I have not washed them yet. I will definitely do that after this video. I will probably update you on that, how this works, probably on my Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow me over there to hear how they did after washing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. As always, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments, would you try any of these cloths? Is that something that you're planning to do in this year to go more natural route? I'm gonna have a link in the description box for you so you guys can go ahead and check them out. If you're new to my channel, I would like for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell on. That way you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking till the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.